Welcome back to Robominions.in AI based interview prep app. So today's topic is see basic concepts. In that we are going to cover the basics of arrays. So we'll be covering 1D array, 2D array, 3D array. Yeah. So first let's go to the features of array. So by definition an array stores one or more values of similar data type. So the syntax is data type, then array name and the size in the box brackets. So memory allocation, either it can be contiguous or sequential memory is allocated to the elements of an array. So arrays are static, so their size cannot be altered. A single array can store a large number of elements. So, and the data type of the array is determined by the type of elements stored in it. When an array is passed to the size of operator, the combined size of all the stored element is returned, and memory is allocated to an array during the compilation. So these are all the features of an array. So going to an 1D array declaration and initialization. So here is the code. So let's trace the code. So hash include stdi.h, then G stands for garbage value. Okay, so keep that in mind. Yeah, now we are in the, so I'm clicking next. So we are at the code point 2, that's int main. So next we have array underscore size is equal to 4 initialized. So we are having an array with the garbage value. So it's a size 4, right? So 4 boxes are created. So we can see the index 0, the address is, so here is the convention used. So array data, index and address. So then for index is equal to 0, index less than array size. So 0 less than 4, that's true. So a of 0 is equal to 0 plus 100. So the data value has changed to 100. So a of 0 is equal to 0 plus 100 is equal to 100. Next, index got incremented by 1. So it moves to the second index, the index 1. So a of 1 is equal to 1 plus 100 is equal to 101. Now index will be 2. So a of 2 is equal to 2 plus 100 is equal to 102. Now the index has incremented to 3. So a of 3 is equal to 3 plus 100 is equal to 103. So that gets initialized. Now index has become 4. So 4 less than 4 is false. So it comes out of the for loop, and it returns 0 from the main. And you can see the time complexity in the bottom of the app. So here the time complexity, as it is iterating through all the segment of the array, so it's a order of n. So that is a 1D array. Now let's see how the 2D array declaration and initialization happens. So we'll have that is hash include stdi.h has happened, int main, and then we have int rows is equal to 3 and columns 4. So 3 rows, 4 columns of a 2D array is created. So all initialized to garbage value. You can observe the, so next, the first outer for loop is iterated in the rows. So it takes the first row. The second for loop iterates through the column. So yeah, so let's see how it happens. So by clicking back, I go back to here. Yeah, so in the app, in this Robominions AI app, you can control the code flow by clicking back and next. Wherever you get stuck, you can go back and check what value is getting changed. So here, so 0, I is equal to 0, 0 less than 3 true. Then j is equal to 0, 0 less than 4 is true. So a of 0 and a of 0 0 is this location here. So it's a 0 plus in bracket 0 plus 1 into 100, which is 100. So that gets initialized. So next, let's see how, what happens. Now j is 1, it has incremented to 1. So a of 0 1, so it has gone to the next location. Now the data is being calculated to 101. Okay. Now j has incremented to 2, so a of 0 of 2 is this location, so it's 102. So let's keep observing how it happens. If in case you get a, you want to go back, then just clicking back will take it back. Okay, so just let's observe how all the data gets initialized now. But, yeah, it is the end of the row, so this was false. So sorry, end of the columns, so 4 less than 4 false, so it come out of the inner for loop. Now the outer for loop row has got incremented by 1, so 0 less than 4 true. Now row is 1, that is second row, so 0th row, first row, second row. Okay, so this is 0 plus I 1 plus 1 is 2 into 100 is 200. So this will be in 200 series, this will be in 100 series, the data, and this will be in 300 series. Okay, so let's see how the data gets initialized now. Now we can see all the data has been initialized, come out of the code, it has returned. All the data has been initialized. The time complexity, as there is two for loops, inner and outer, so its time complexity is order of n square. Next we go to the 3D array, how 3D array is declared and initialized. You can see there are not just 3 rows and 4 columns. There is another 3 arrays in the back. Each there are 3 total in the side. Yeah. So let's see how those get initialized. So this is the first array 1 of the 3D array. So array 1 with 3 rows and 4 columns. You can see how the data is getting initialized, right? So all the data has been loaded onto the first array. So now the first array is done. So first array is done. Now it goes to the second array. So started with the previous one was 1000 series. Now the data is in 2000 series. Yeah, the second array has been completely initialized. Now it goes to the third array filled with garbage values. Now there is an initialization. The data will be in the 3000 series. So yeah, so all 3 arrays in the 3D array have been initialized. So now 3 less than 3 is false, so it will come out of the main with return 0. So time complexity is order of rows into columns into the array number. So if all are equal, then it's order of n cube. okay, because there are 3 for loops. So that's it for the array initialization and declaration. Yeah, before winding up, it's a quick reminder. If you want to download, if you want to use this app, Robominions.in AI interview prep app, so go to Robominions.in website, click on download latest version, and you also have how to use this app video. So you can use the app, you can control the code by clicking next and back and next button. And also code is available. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Signing up, Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app, and make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.